Hello Disney Infinity fans! Well, have you ever struggled to put a smooth path on your streets of your Toybox worlds, cities, towns? Well, I used this small trick, which helped me a lot to build my New York Toybox and put the cars from the decoration straw on my streets of New York. So, you might have seen this in other worlds, but I want to show you this little trick which helped me a lot. Have fun watching! So normally you would lay down a path on the ground, like here. And just in the scenery where you use the street pieces, you might not see the lumps and bumps there are, with too many path points or not enough path points. This looks great, but just... Yep, there is a small trick I used. I didn't put it down on the ground, the path. I raised it up one block. Just like this. And then you see already when you're laying down the path where the lumps and bumps are. So in this case this is a loop path. And you see, yeah, there are a few lumps and bumps. So we go on the green path point, which is the first one, to the properties, and let's say looped, which might be the case for 90% of the path where you put cars on. We say auto start when objects connected off, and say looped. Yep. Now you can move around the path points and see where it should go. I think this path point can go. And see, it's much more smoother now. Yeah, you can move the path points around and look where it should go. The path points is much more smoother. Yep. So I put down two buttons. The first one, the button casing, is for this reset and play. So we make a new path connection when pressed and say reset and play. And on the second button in path connection, when pressed, reset and stop. Okay, I already put down one car. No, not broken and collected. Let's see. Yep. And the cars from the decoration straw, they are hovering on the path right now. So we have to go to the properties. Say orient along the path. Reset point percentage is important when you want to put more cars on the path, that you have space between them. The vertical offset must be -2, works perfectly. And that's all. So now reset and stop. And now the car has moved up the path. Okay, the third car, which we do exactly the same with. Toybox path, and just do the same. The orient along the path and reset point percentage. Let's say we can leave it 0 this time, but the vertical offset must be -2. Then it looks like that the cars are driving on the streets. So, let's press reset and play, guys. Yeah, that's all there is to this little trick. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in my next video, which might be May the 4th. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.